Hello engineers. Do you know what skills you should include on your mechatronics engineering resume? First, it's important to have a broad knowledge of different domains including mechanical, electrical, and computer systems as these are all integral to mechatronics. Proficiency in programming languages like C++, Python, Java is also essential for the development of mechatronic systems. A strong foundation in basic math such as linear algebra and calculus is also crucial for success in this field. Experience with computer-aided design tools like AutoCAD and SolidWorks is valuable as it allows you to create detailed technical drawings and models. Familiarity with Robot Operating System (ROS) and simulation tools is also useful for designing and testing mechatronic systems. Experience with data analysis and visualization tools like Excel and MATLAB is useful for analyzing test data and developing performance models. In addition to these technical skills, don't forget to include your strong written and verbal communication skills, as you will likely be working closely with a team of other engineers and technical professionals. Thanks for watching. Be sure to follow us for more tips and tricks on how to make successful resume for your engineering career.